Hey everyone, welcome back to BLUETTI Support. We're thrilled to share our latest breakthrough in portable power. Meet Pioneer Sodium, the world's first sodium-ion portable power station, built to thrive where lithium batteries struggle. So you can say goodbye to fast drains and slow charging in freezing temperatures. It's BLUETTI Classic, separate control buttons, a clear, easy-to-read layout, and enough ports to cover all your devices. Cold won't slow you down. Pioneer Sodium keeps charging down to minus 15 degrees Celsius and runs strong even at minus 25 degrees Celsius. From snow camping to icy adventures or winter blackouts, you'll have energy that never quits. With 1,500 watts of steady output, it handles your everyday essentials effortlessly. Need extra power? Switch on power lifting mode to unlock 2,250 watts, running high-power devices like kettles, heaters, and electric blankets without a hitch. Speed matters too. Dual 1,900 watts input brings you to 80% in just 35 minutes. Just grab power and go. Safety isn't an afterthought. Inside and out, Pioneer Sodium combines advanced sodium-ion chemistry, intelligent battery management, multiple protections, and flame-retardant materials, keeping your power safe and sound. It's built to last over 4,000 cycles till 70% of the original capacity, giving you reliable power for up to 10 years. Standby power is as low as 1.5 watts, meaning it always stays ready, even after months in storage. Is it friendly to Mother Nature? Absolutely. Pioneer Sodium runs on abundant sodium. No lithium, no cobalt, giving you clean, reliable energy that's gentle on the planet. At home or on the icebound journey, this little beast has your back, keeping your devices juiced no matter what. Thanks for watching. If this overview helped you understand the unit, make sure to subscribe to the channel.